Dare we say these are the best corn dogs in the cosmos?
It's River and Sia from Magic Atlas, and today we're headed down Main Street to visit the Little Red Wagon and try one of Disneyland's tastiest treats.
The corn dog was traditionally made with a pre-made corn mix until the late 1990s, when Disneyland's executive chef decided that this beloved dish deserved a gourmet upgrade. Guests did not like the new recipe change and instead preferred the nostalgic flavor, so Disneyland quickly changed the recipe back to the pre-made corn mix and has been serving its corn dogs this way ever since.
We do wish the Little Red Wagon would serve up French fries as part of the menu, but hey, that won't stop us from going. If you can't make it to Main Street, you can also find these corn dogs at the Stage Door Cafe in Frontierland. The hot dog itself is both chicken and beef, complementing both the light and fluffy corn breading and crispy fried crust, combining fluff and crunch in one perfect ratio.
This is one of our favorite dishes at the park. The price is far more reasonable than most meals, and the line, although often long, moves quickly. Although there isn't a lot of seating, you can find a small selection of tables behind the wagon. We give the Little Red Wagon 9 out of 10 Mickey ears. While the menu only features one main dish, it's gotta be one of the most iconic and tasty items in the park. It's a great snack or meal option, and you just can't beat that savory, crispy corn dog taste. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magic Atlas, bringing the magic to you.